Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei Nova 10 Pro and I want to show you how camera pro mode looks in this smartphone. Okay, so first of all, to open the pro mode, just click on the more modes and select Pro. When you open this mode, I can recommend you at the first to tap on the information icon that you can find on the left upper corner, where you can find the description of each feature. So for example, if you don't know what is the shutter speed, that's the option where we can set the exposure time. We have to keep our device steady during exposure to avoid blurring the photo. Very obvious, right? Let's start from these options right here. At the first, we get the spot measuring, 3 presets. Another option is ISO, very bright, very high setup, and also automatic adjustment. Another one is the shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds and also automatically. This option adds exposure compensation. That's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. We can go between +4 and -4. Next, it's the focus, so 2 automatic adjustment and manual. So we can set for the close and far objects. And the white balance with the presets, manual adjustment, and also automatic. Right here we can change photo format, 3 different, and we can enable camera flashlight. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.